So hello friends, myself Home and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Home. Today I will tell you the specifications of Realme 8. The specifications of Realme 8 are MediaTek Dimensity 800U, 5000 mAh battery, 64 megapixel rear camera, 6.4 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display, 16 megapixel front camera, 30 watt fast charging. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Realme 8. There are 3 storage variants of Realme 8: 6GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. There are 3 color variants of Realme 8: blue color, black color and white color. This is the design of Realme 8 from the front side. This is the design of Realme 8 from the back side. The expected launch date of Realme 8 will be in first or second week of January. In my opinion, the expected price of Realme 8 should be below 16,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.